tomato plant needs a lot of water. It gets very, very dry compared to the rest. I feel like I've got some strawberries ready. The strawberry plant has a lot of strawberries going, but they're still a little bit small. So a crime has been committed with my strawberries. This one's been turned over. That one's gone. But then you find it down here. I'm gonna bet money that there's no strawberries left on it because this one's been picked clean by some kind of animal. Yep, no strawberries. We should have picked them yesterday because they were perfect. I was going to pick them this morning.
Well, somebody else picked them for us.
Somebody else picked them. Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm kind of doing like a home reset. I am working on some laundry right now, some bedding. I need to really do some cleaning in my just main area downstairs, floors, dusting, windows, things like that. I got some cleaning up to do in the kitchen, and one of my projects that I've really been needing to do for a while is the oven. I've already sprayed it. So I've already sprayed it and I'm just letting it sit for an hour like it said to do before I kind of scrub it out. And I think I'm gonna put some aluminum foil in the bottom. There's kind of mixed information on that, whether you should do it or not, but I have done it before with great success. It's a lot better than not doing it, in my opinion. So, because it's just a mess. So, anyway, welcome back, and I hope you'll enjoy hanging out with me today, just doing some homemaking and getting things done around here.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way.
All right, this is as good as I could get it. So there are some stains on the bottom that I just can't get out, but everything on the sides is pretty much good, and the bottom is way better than it was before, and the door is too. So I'm gonna put some aluminum foil down there and call that good. Gary had already cleaned the racks with SOS pads and put them out here to dry, so those are already done, and those look pretty good, so I'll put those back in later when they're dry. Now I'm just gonna finish up in the kitchen. Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
The journey is not ours to control. I'm glad that it is so. I'm lucky it is so.
now I'm moving on to the dining room and then ultimately the living room. I'm going to do some dusting in here as well as cleaning up some glass. I'm just using the same multi-surface cleaner for everything. It works pretty well for everything, including stainless steel. Although it's not the best ever stainless steel cleaner, it works pretty well. On this day, I actually got a whole lot done. The only thing is I wasn't able to film all of it because, you know, well, if you do YouTube, then you know it's a lot harder to film. It takes a lot longer to film and clean than just to clean. So I filmed some of it, but some of the other things that I was doing on this day were a lot. I did a lot of laundry. Including like some rugs and things like that. We have 2 rugs that sit at the doors in our living room, and I washed those and other bathroom rugs. We also did a lot of bathroom cleaning, floor cleaning, and stuff like that. I just didn't get it all on video.
I'm lucky this I saw the ending before the movie was done. I got thick skin because I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting, right? But cowgirls don't cry. Ooh. I saw the red flags before giving you a chance. I said no, I turned you down before we even got to dance. I have demons that I don't really show. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting. Ooh, but cowgirls don't cry.
So this is the rub that we used on the chicken, and Gary's getting ready to put that on the grill. And I've got some carrots and salad for those of us that don't like salad, which basically would be Katie. And I've also got some corn. Gary's got that going on the grill, and then I'm making some rice for anybody that also wants rice, which is probably everybody but me.
Wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time.
Corn's on the grill.
Probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting. Ooh, cowgirls don't cry.
I'm having Gary make twice what we normally do because we're going to use them later in the week either on salad or nachos, but we'll have some meat already done for a quick supper. We got all of our pool stuff out, and we actually got in the pool yesterday. Gary turned the heater on, which we try not to do a whole lot because it's expensive to heat it. He actually got it up to 90 degrees, and it was glorious yesterday. So when we went to turn on the pool heater the other day, we found out that the control panel was messed up. So Gary turned it on, but he couldn't tell like what he was heating the pool to. You're just like, it works, but you're blind to, you can't set any instructions or whatever. So, but we did find out, fortunately, that since we've only had the pool for a year, that it is under warranty. So they're going to be replacing the control panel, thank goodness, and it'll be fixed. Looks good.
I will take the corn off.
Has it been 25 minutes? All right, here's supper. This is my plate because I'm not having any rice. And this is Sophie's with her rice. She wanted salad as well, and her chicken. After dinner, we took a walk on the beach and watched the sunset. Thanks for hanging out with us today, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.